ka-soldering! So, for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay soldering iron station EXO TC-50. So, guys, i-unbox natin siya. So, guys, may kasama siyang manual. Ito ang kanyang manual. And then, may kasama siyang ang kanyang soldering iron. Next, yung unit natin. Next, ang unit natin. Yan ang ating soldering iron station model EXO TC-50. So guys, what is the use of soldering iron station EXO TC-50? A soldering iron station like the EXO TC-50 is a tool used for heating and melting solder so you can join electrical components together securely. It's a step up from a simple handheld iron because it gives you temperature control and a stable base, which makes soldering easier, more precise, and safer, especially when working with sensitive electronic parts. What the EXO TC-50 soldering station is used for. Number 1. Electronics assembly. Joining components, resistors, capacitors, ICs, connectors to printed circuit boards, PCBs. Building electronic kits and DIY projects. Number 2. Repair and rework. Fixing broken electronics like radios, computers, game consoles, and appliances. Removing and replacing damaged components without overheating nearby parts. Number 3. Hobby and maker projects. Arduino, Raspberry, TI Robotics, and other hobby electronics. Wiring custom circuits and connectors. Number 4. Stable controlled soldering. The station maintains a set temperature so you don't burn components or insulation. Help produce clean, reliable solder joints compared to fixed temperature irons. Number 5. General electrical work. Joining wires, repairing cables, and assembling small electrical devices. Why use a soldering station versus a basic iron? Number 1. Adjustable temperature. Lets you match heat to the job and solder type. Number 2. Stable base station. Safer to put down and often includes holder and sponge. Number 3. Better heat control. Reduces risk of damage to sensitive parts. Number 4. More comfortable from repetitive work. Good for longer sessions. In simple terms, it's a controlled heat tool for making strong metal-to-metal electrical connections with solder in electronics and electrical works. So guys, yan ang ating soldering iron station. Model EXO TC-50. So, ayun lang guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.